Downsizing or right-sizing can be a liberating experience, but getting started is often the hardest part. Just remember, right-sizing can enable much more freedom and enjoyment of life. And I assure you, it can be done in an organized and comfortable time frame. We've also created a guide to inform senior homeowners and to help them navigate the entire process. Be sure to request your free Senior Homeowners Guide today. Cleaning your home and garage of articles that have collected and they've accumulated for many decades at first can seem completely overwhelming. However, if it's done gradually and with a little help, the process can be accomplished comfortably at your own pace. Technology has provided a way for photos and documents and letters to be scanned and preserved for the future. Digital photos of these items will save an awful lot of space, and they can be viewed at any time, in any place, and by any relative. It might be helpful to start by renting a dumpster, so you'll have a place on site to discard things as you go through the boxes and drawers in different rooms. Consider charitable organizations that might benefit from donations. At the same time that you're getting rid of things, you can also be packing items that aren't needed before moving, and you can store them in labeled boxes in the garage or somewhere in the house until it's time for the actual move. You might be surprised to notice a gradual increase in energy. People can actually feel years younger after just a few weeks from letting a lot of stuff go. If you feel that you're simply not able to manage this process on your own, there are a lot of alternatives to consider. Many people and some companies offer packing-related services. With extra hands working under your direction, you might be able to accomplish far more in a short amount of time. My name is Michael Edlen, and I've been helping homeowners buy and sell for more than 30 years. If you'd like more information on right-sizing, we put together a guide for senior homeowners. It's filled with useful opportunities and information, solutions that we've come across over the last 30 years, helping homeowners like you explore all possible options for their particular situation. Be sure to request your free Senior Homeowners Guide today. And if you have any questions about your own personal situation, please don't hesitate to contact me. Call or email to explore your best options for what's next. Thanks for watching.